Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open Word or Excel now and follow along. You don't need to prepare anything else. Click File, then Account or Office Account on the left. You'll see the product information block showing whether this is Microsoft 365 or Office 2019, plus an About button. Click About to reveal the full version number and whether Office is 32-bit or 64-bit. Write down the product name and build number. These two values tell you exactly which Office iteration you have installed. If you prefer system-level confirmation, open Control Panel and choose Programs and Features. Scroll to Microsoft Office in the list. The version column sometimes shows the release. If not, right-click the entry and choose Change or Properties for more details. Pay attention to Publisher and Install date. Retail installs often show Microsoft Corporation and a recent date, while volume-licensed copies may look different. Once done, compare the version/build you noted earlier to confirm a match. As a final verification, run WinVer or use PowerShell to inspect the Office executables file version. This yields the exact build string. Once you have the build, map it to the product name. For example, certain build ranges indicate Microsoft 365 versus Office 2019. If version fields are blank or inconsistent, make sure Office is updated, then run a quick repair from Settings Apps Microsoft Office. If problems persist, use Online Repair as a deeper fix and retry the check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.